Do you know that you can play phone calls through your Bose Soundlink Micro and use it as a speakerphone?
Call from Alexa.
Well, this video will help you explore the function on your Bluetooth speaker either from your iPhone or Android. Especially if you're using an Android phone with a speaker, from the Bluetooth settings to Bose Micro settings, make sure it's selected for phone calls. Now, whenever a phone call comes through,
Call from Alexa.
you will hear a voice prompt. On this multifunction button, just press once to take the call. After that, you can carry around your Bluetooth speaker as long as you're at the same Bluetooth range of your phone and use the Soundlink speaker and microphone to talk to that person. To end the call, just press on this multifunction button again. If you want to decline a call instead, just press and hold the same button for 1 second.
Call ignored.
Now you can also use your voice assistant to make a call. Just press and hold this multifunction button again. Hey Google, call Alexa.
Sure, calling Alexa.
Depending on your phone you're using, either call Siri, Google Assistant, or only Samsung users can use Bixby through their Soundlink Bluetooth speaker.
Calling Elizabeth Bennett, mobile.
And that's how usually you can use your Bose Soundlink Micro as a speakerphone. Thanks for watching.